Strength isn't always fighting to stay. Sometimes it's choosing to walk away. We are often taught that resilience means holding on tighter, enduring the storm, and never giving up. But there is a different kind of strength, a quieter, more profound courage that is found in letting go. It's the strength to recognize when a chapter of your life has reached its natural end, even if the story feels unfinished. It's the wisdom to know that your energy is a finite, precious resource. You don't need dramatic exits, loud endings, or explanations to justify your departure. The world may expect a performance, a grand finale, but your peace doesn't require an audience. Not every battle deserves your energy. You can choose to lay down your sword not in defeat, but in honor of your own well-being. Not every connection deserves a final conversation. Some goodbyes are meant to be silent, spoken only to yourself in the quiet of your own heart. This isn't avoidance. It's a sacred act of self-preservation. Sometimes the most peaceful decision is leaving silently, closing the door with a gentle click rather than a slam. You are leaving not to prove something, but to protect your peace. It is a quiet revolution, a personal declaration that your inner calm is non-negotiable. Walking away isn't weakness, it's wisdom. It is the ultimate act of trusting your intuition, of honoring the quiet voice inside that whispers, "This is no longer for you." Your peace grows when you stop watering what drains you. Imagine your energy as a garden. You must consciously choose to stop tending to the weeds that choke out the light, so that what truly matters can finally blossom. So if it hurts your heart or steals your calm, if it makes you feel smaller or dims your light, give yourself permission. Walk away with grace. Walk away with love for the person you are becoming. Walk away toward the open, sunlit path that is waiting just for you.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.